Hi, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de, and right here I have the Luxa2 H1-Touch smartphone holder, and we are going to unbox it right now. It reminds me a little bit of an iMac because of the aluminium. This is the H1-Touch, the smartphone holder, and right here we have a manual. So a closer look at the holder. Now you can see why it reminds me a little bit of the iMac. Here's the place where you can put your phone. You can turn it around as you like. Here's to adjust the size of your phone. And for example, the HTC Mozart fits perfectly. The Samsung Wave S 8500, also very nice. And as you can see, in any position. And of course, the iPhone. This is the iPhone 3GS. It also fits perfectly. And you can turn it around in any position. And the cool thing is, you can also use it as a tripod. Make good pictures or videos with it. So that was the Luxa2 H1. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, youtube.com/NewGadgets.de, for more gadgets.